I want to give a big shout out to Test Studio for sending me over this package. It's time for you guys to check it out. Let's get it. What up, fam? It's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. I have a sick unboxing for you guys. I can't wait to hop into it. I don't know about you, but there's two different sides. Doesn't seem like there's anyone right in the middle. There is Team CyberTruck, Team Anti-CyberTruck. This right here is a CyberTruck. I'll explain. Let's just get right into it. Let's go. Let's see what we have here, what it looks like, what comes with it. Look at that, guys. Look at that box. Looks pretty sick. The wheels are raised. This is what the gun looks like. It's a plastic feel. On and off switch. USB charger and battery. Ooh, wow. Look at that bad boy. Wow, guys, it looks great. Phenomenal. Oh, I cannot wait to test drive this thing. Here's what I think is amazing is how, wow, look at that. Look at these wheels. These wheels, ooh, nice. They're tough, but still got some give to it. Oh yeah, suspension. Oh, it's so nice and soft. Look at that, guys. Okay, I've seen other CyberTrucks, but the fact that we have an interior that we can actually see, I think that is a plus. Look at that. My head, I can't believe how spacious it is. I'm in the front seat right now, and I have tons of room. Look at this screen. You can see the back. Only thing is it's not covered, which would have been awesome. Let's get a front view of it. Ooh, this is tough, guys. This is tough. Let's see what type of batteries it takes. So it takes AA batteries. Just in case you were wondering, they do have visual instructions on the box and actually on the outside of the main box. All right, let's open her up and see. So the handheld, this is to go backwards and reverse. This is to go forward, left, right, left, right. All right, let's test it out. Let's turn it on. Ooh, it has lights too? Okay. Oh, this is ready to go. Left. No, this is right. Guys, the excitement for this is an understatement. Look at this bad boy. Okay, this thing is massive. Look at that. This looks dope. I love it when you turn. I didn't even realize it had lights. Look at this. Look at that. Well, let's go take it outside and test drive this CyberTruck. Ooh, that is fire. That is tough. That is tough. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna take this out here, give it a test drive. This thing is sick. All right, here we go. So guys, I am torn because obviously look how beautiful it is. I'm torn to like get it on ramps and all kinds of crazy stuff. However, we'll go down this little grassy area and we may do some dirt. I don't know, but let's try it out. This thing is amazing. Now, would I want the regular version? Yep, but I do like the raised wheels. Makes it more durable, but let's get it. Oh, that bad boy's got some. Ooh. I love this thing. It is awesome. It's huge too, guys. And I love how fast it gets going. Ah! Oh, okay. Going over that little rock made me want to see it do some jumps. All right, let's go. Let's go off. We're gonna go off the curb. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Please don't crash. Oh, that was nice and smooth. Okay. I'm gonna have him do that curb again. Oh! Okay, I fully charged it up. And guys, this may be actually faster than what we were seeing earlier. This is what it looks like if you have to plug it in and charge the battery. It's easy, plug and play, put it in the wall and you're good. There it is, guys, the RC CyberTruck from Test Studios. Big shout out again to you guys for sending this over. I think you guys need to check it out. It's fun. Is it a hobby or a toy version? I think it's more of on the toy RC cars because of the speed, but it still has some pickup. It's fun. I love the big wheels and how it's been able to withstand quite a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions you guys have down there for me, send a message, put it in the comment section, and I'll do more of these. Much love, is your boy Dooley. I'm out.